guys, we have made it into our deluxe studio at Copper Creek, and I'm so excited to do this room tour. So when you walk in, there is a full-length mirror, which is a part of the sliding barn door situation for the bathroom. So that's pretty cool. And then over here you have your closet with your extra pillow and blankets, your safe, plenty of hangers, and a great little storage area. So whether that's for your luggage or maybe you want to put your stroller in there, at the end of the day, that looks awesome. So we'll keep moving on into the kitchenette area. Okay. So great little kitchenette area. You've got your microwave. You've got an actual mini refrigerator, not a beverage cooler, an actual mini refrigerator. So you could keep dairy cold. You've got your coffee maker. You've got your additional sink, which is huge. I'll show you guys how we set up our room so that we can utilize the sink after our son goes to bed. We've got plenty of storage here in the drawers. You've got your, this is plastic silverware, can opener, dish towel. You've got your waste basket tucked under here. You've got an additional paper towel roll. I'm sure that they restock if you run out, if you stay long enough, as well as some dish soap. And you've got an extra set over here, so in case you want to wash any dishes. You've got paper products up here and your ice bucket as well. And then I think, yep, this is where they hide the toaster. So you've got a toaster here as well, which is great. And then plenty of plugins here, which is awesome. Your bathroom is a single vanity, but lots and lots of counter space, which is really, really nice. Very big mirror, extra kind of storage space up there as well. You've got your cosmetic mirror and lots and lots of storage, which is great. So you've got a drawer here, your waste basket, plenty of storage up here under the sink, another 2 sets of storage and another drawer. Still have the Disney H2O products. Not sure when they'll run out of that, but right now that's what's here. And then this way is where your restroom is, as well as your beautiful walk-in shower. So you've got the rain shower, normal rain head. You've got your H2O product, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, as well as bath soap over here. Love that there's this ledge. And I also really like that there is this ledge as well. So that's great for setting your products or propping your leg up to shave your legs, what have you. This room specifically is a walk-in shower. So you can designate, there's a deluxe studio and then there's a deluxe studio with walk-in shower. So here you've got a bench to store luggage or anything that you might need. And you've got your queen size bed. And up under here, oh, yep, you heard my knees crack. You have additional storage up under the bed to slide your suitcases and things like that. So I really love that they've added that raised bed. I think that's a really great touch. You've got 3 drawers here on your nightstand, as well as USB plugins and regular plugins, which I think is great. I also love that they've got lights here above the bed. So you can that operate on a dimmer, so you can dim those, which I think is really, really nice for like if you want to read at night or whatever without disturbing anyone. I'll just go ahead and stick on this side. So you've got an additional 3 drawers here. Let me get that light on. I think I had all these lights on and I think my son turned them off, but here we go. So we've got an additional 3 drawers here, your room phone. This is a pull-out couch. And then this is your coffee table, but it actually raises up. Here, let me raise it so you can see. I think that's so cool. It raises up so that you can actually eat off of it while sitting on the couch. And then you've got additional storage space here. So I think that's wonderful that they've really tried to give you as much storage and functionality as possible in these rooms. And then over here, you have a cute little table, 2 chairs, absolutely perfect. So plenty of storage. I like all of the different knobs and buttons that they have for the pulls. I think that's a really nice addition. And then I'll just kind of show you the room from this vantage point. So let's see here, unlock 2 safety locks. I'll kind of show you, there's one here and one down just a little bit lower. And we'll slide. And this is our view, you guys. Cannot get over it. It is so gorgeous and peaceful out here. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you'll subscribe. I do lots of resort room tours, Disney vlogs. I share Disney travel and lifestyle content.